Join me for basic to advanced English words in context. No matter your level, always learn synonyms in context, lists lie. Sometimes you can't just swap words. Using them in the right way is key to improving your English. The first pair of words often used as exact copies are emotional and sentimental. However, there is a slight difference in meaning. Emotional means reacting right now. Feelings spilling over. He got emotional during the speech. Tears, shaky voice, drama. While sentimental means attached, because of memory or nostalgia. She's sentimental about her old letters. No tears, just vibes. Next, we have the words attach and amend. Attach versus amend. Attach means to add something physically or digitally. Please attach the document. Amend. Here the emphasis is on changing, correcting, or improving something existing. Sometimes by adding something more. The contract was amended. Moving on to our next two words. We have refurbish versus renovate. Refurbish is to refresh, clean up, cosmetic glow up. They refurbished the hotel rooms. But renovate is serious structural work. Walls, plumbing, chaos. They renovated the entire building. Our next words are request and inquire. Request means to ask for something specific. She requested more information. However, while inquire is to ask, it is slightly different in tone. Inquire is to ask about something, often formally. He inquired about availability. Our final pair for today is provide and distribute. Provide versus distribute. Provide means supply or make available. The school provides meals. Distribute, however, is more about handing out to many people. The aid was distributed to families. Thank you for watching. Comment for any words you would like explained.